So we're here looking at this two prior owner California car, 56 T-Bird in gunmetal gray, a very rare factory option with a salmon colored interior. Older restoration, still very, very nice, showing a little patina, but you could definitely take it to car shows. Drives absolutely beautifully. 61,000 miles, again, California black plate, so it's always been in California. Look at that, absolutely beautiful. Okay, well, hey, why don't we take it for a spin? Okay, now we're looking at the engine compartment. You can see very, very sanitary, very nice, in excellent condition. Just purrs like a kitten. How about goose it a little bit? Okay, great.
Interior,
yeah.
You know.
So how long have you had it? What's the history of the car?
I got it from my dad passed away. Okay, and I inherited it from my family, and I've had it about 10 or 12 years.
It's a California yellow plate car, so it's always been a California.
It's always been. I'm the third owner of the car. I have a piece of paper that shows when my dad got it from the other guy, and then that's been it.
So the original owner was a physician in San Francisco.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And he's the one that did the restoration of the car.
Yes.
Very thorough restoration, total, complete nut and bolt restoration. Drives beautifully.
Yeah, I mean, the thing, I've had this thing at 100 miles an hour. I'm not kidding you.
All right.
Yeah, I'm not kidding you.
Well, at least you didn't get caught.
Oh, no. No, we were... Yeah, me and Lee were coming home one day. We were going down a freeway racing.
Great. Oil pressure seems fine.
Yeah.
Doesn't overheat.
Nope.
All the instruments work except the clock.
Except the clock.
The clock doesn't work. Rides beautifully. Very tight.